In today's video, Helen's explain in just 2 minutes why copper basin are so highly recommended, how they compare to ceramic and stainless steel options, and who they are best suited for. If you're replanning a bathroom renovation, push this before you buy. It could save $2,000 in future repairs. No more small talk, let us dive straight into the facts. First, copper is extremely durable. It's highly resistant to corrosion and scratches, something that ceramic and stainless steel simply can't match. Second, and most importantly, copper is naturally antibacterial. Copper ions can inhibit and even kill bacteria, making your bathroom a much healthier space. Third, copper's rich tones instantly elevate your bathroom style, adding a sense of luxury and sophistication. While the upfront investment might be slightly higher, the long-term benefits, beauty, hygiene, and durability are absolutely worth it. If you're replanning a bathroom upgrade, a copper bathroom basin isn't just a trendy choice, it's a smart one.